Here's how to scrape Temu product details with no coding knowledge. For this, we'll need the Temu scraper from nifty.codes. Link will be in the description. Simply just download it for your browser. Next, press product details. As you can see, we extracted this product details. You can do this for multiple different products. Now, head to the settings. Then press on Stored Data. In here you can find all the data you scraped. You can specify some data to delete or move to export. Now to customize this, press on Customize. Then press on Product Details. In here you can change the data however you want. So for example, you can uncheck some data. You can also change the order of the data. And also change the name. And also add the criteria to only scrape the products you are looking for. Once you're done, press Save. You can also find more features in the add-ons section. Now to export this, press Add to Export List. Then press Export. You can export it in many different ways. I will export it as HTML. After exporting, here's all the data we extracted.